Hi guys, welcome to another video where I will be showing you how I make a delicious soup from pumpkin. By the way, this pumpkin was gifted to me by a patient of mine who has a garden. As you all know, or most of you must have noticed, it's Halloween, and so pumpkin is everywhere. People are decorating their houses with pumpkin, but I will be using my pumpkin to make a delicious soup. So stay with me all through this video as I take you through the process. So to start with, I will just go ahead and prepare my vegetables. I will wash them and then slice them. I will be using onion, leek, carrot and pumpkin, of course, which is our main ingredients. Pumpkin is actually a very delicious vegetable, and making soup out of it makes it even more delicious, especially now that it's cold out here. Drinking a hot cup of pumpkin soup won't be that bad. And that's me struggling to cut the pumpkin. It wasn't that easy to get the knife through the pumpkin. If you will want to try this recipe, be very careful with the knife because to go through the skin is not that easy. As you can see, our pumpkin has seeds already, but I will not be using the seeds. If I had 4 or 5 of these pumpkins, I would have reserved the seeds and make a delicious soup with them. But unfortunately, I got just one, so I will not be using the seeds. I will just throw them. It's a pity, right? I know. After peeling the pumpkin, the next thing is for me to rinse them and then cut them into pieces. I don't actually need to cut them in small pieces because I will be mixing my soup, so it's of no use cutting them in really small slices. So I will just go on and cut them just like you see me doing. Then I will bring my pot to heat and then add a little bit of butter into it. If you are liking this video up to this moment, I'll appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so for more recipes. Thank you. I will be using about 2 liters of water for this soup because I don't want my soup to be too thick or too light, so I will just add about 2 liters of water with some seasoning cubes and salt. So I'll just allow it to cook until all the vegetables are soft. At this point, I tasted it and found out that the pumpkin was soft, so my soup is ready. I will just off the heat and then allow it to cool down. Now that my soup has cooled down, I will just use a hand blender to mix it into a smooth consistency. I will just go on and mix until all the vegetables are mixed. To give it that final touch, I will add some white pepper into it, and there you go. Our pumpkin soup is ready. Just look at it, look at the color, very delicious. I assure you, if you try this recipe, you'll enjoy it. So that was it for this video. I thought I'd share this delicious recipe with you all. You know me, when I got a delicious recipe, I don't keep it to myself because I want all of us to eat healthy. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye.